Yesterday, Sunday, it's so painful. It's so big. My cyst is big, like a ping pong balls, and it is so irritable. Just smiling. Smile always, kahit may nararamdaman. It's difficult to commute. Komportable ako kapag nakamotor kahit masakit nakaupo. My Bartholin cyst is so painful now. I want to ask if need the surgery. Kailangan itong mawala. Hindi naman siguro ito masyadong mahal. Just CIS doctor.